Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a very simple drawing. We are going to draw a bucket. Let's start the drawing. First, we need to draw a curved line like this. Then we like to draw another parallel line to the outside of this curved line. Then let's give it a thickness. So we need to draw another parallel line like this. There's something to hold in the middle. All right. At the bottom, there will be another curved line in the middle. Also, we draw a parallel line like this one. Now we need to connect the lines here like this. We draw a straight line and another straight line we'll draw here like this. All right, there will be a smaller part like this one, and we draw a curved line like this for the handle, and we draw it here. Let's draw another parallel line parallel with the previous curved line and draw with this, then connect here. This is the basic drawing. Now we need to put some shades here. All right, this is the shades inside of the bucket. Inside of the bucket, the shades will be darker to the edge and lighter to the middle. Usually we start from the darker part and go to the lighter part. Few shades here. Also we begin from the darker. We put a harder stroke at the last end. Then we make the stroke lighter and push to the middle point here. All right, as you can see that the drawing is getting smarter and more nice than before. The more work we do, the more the drawing looks nice. Also, let's put little shades here. There to the left side, we need to put more emphasis on the right side too, because both sides needs to be the same types of lighting or shade, what you can say. So we put the lighter part. Okay, then I progress and make the shades lighter and lighter here. Let's make the end a little more darker than the top, and we need to make the handle darker too. Usually this curved part is made of steel so that it can carry the whole load of the bucket, and while carrying this doesn't break. All right, So this is the holder in the middle. All right, this is the holder in the middle, and little bit shades here. Let's do a little detailing like this in the edge of the drawing. The drawing is almost complete. As you can see, the bucket looks nice. Let's put little shade here under the collar. Also little shades here under the collar. All right, so this is the drawing. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thank you. Have a good day.